Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Wordpandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT RC questions. Here we got a CAT 2018 RC question and we'll be going through the video explanation for the same. Before we do that, I would request you to watch the passage analysis video for this particular RC passage. It's going to help you understand the nuances of the passage. Now, what do we have in this particular question? The question states, based on information provided in the passage, we can conclude all of the following except. Now, the thing with this question is this is a fact-based question. 3 out of the 4 facts are valid. There is one which is a misfit in this particular case, and the misfit here is easy to identify. Misfit here is option number C, which states none of Saturn's moons ever had suitable conditions for life to evolve. In fact, this goes against the information given in the passage because the author clearly states the name of one such moon which is suitable for life, right? And it is suggested that on that particular moon life could possibly exist. In fact, the author has clearly suggested the name of that moon. The name of that moon is Enceladus, which has been suggested as the moon where life could possibly exist, right? So option number C is the easy to identify odd one out. It's factually incorrect. Hence, it is the correct answer here. Remember, we need to find the incorrect statement. 3 statements are valid. And let's refer to the context of statements A, B, and D and confirm those as well. Statement number A states Saturn's lighter rings discolor faster than rings with greater mass. It's directly given. The lighter the rings are, the faster this will happen. For the less mass they contain, the less celestial pollution they can absorb. And Saturn's rings, just before this reference, it is mentioned Saturn's rings are lighter in nature. Hence, this is valid. Option number B. As the rings come into being, an old set of moons orbiting Saturn destroyed themselves, and from their remains emerged not only the rings but also the moons. So Saturn's rings were created from the remains of older moons, another fact mentioned. Option number D. Thetis and Dione are less than 100 million years old. He states about 100 million years ago, the orbits of the two of them were simply not there. They must have come into being later. So again, their age is less than 100 million years old. Again, a fact which is mentioned in the passage. So A, B, and D are facts which are directly mentioned in the passage. Statement number C is the odd one out here. Hopefully so you are clear with the question now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.